Hello, my name is Werner. I work for the province of Antwerp, for the Provincial Parks of the Antwerp Region. We do educational activities, we have a petting farm, we have sporting zones, we are the venue for external events, and I saw opportunities with Claris FileMaker to bring that information together in one place in a fairly easy and doable way. The first problem we tried to tackle with Claris FileMaker was the inspection of our play gardens. And I launched a call out on LinkedIn to Claris FileMaker developers, and that's how we got into contact with ClickWorks.
Werner discovered that FileMaker was able to handle applications on the iPad easily, and he wanted an iPad app for playground inspections. While we were building that app, and he was very curious to learn how we did it, and almost 1 year later, he really surprised us. He literally built like a small ecosystem of little apps, which he cleverly also named DIGIPARK, and I was amazed. He did a lot on his own, and then we came in again when things got challenging.
A couple of months ago, we started a project with our petting farm. We have a petting farm, and we were looking to start a sort of a financial adoption of the animals.
So they wanted to make a public form available for a lot of people in a very short time span, because there was a lot of interest, and they hadn't really found a solution for the fact that once you adopt a pet, it must immediately become unavailable.
And Joris said, this sounds like something we can solve with Claris Studio and Claris Connect.
We could integrate Claris Studio very easily with DIGIPARK, with the existing FileMaker solution. And we could run scripts on it, and we could monitor, like if a pet was adopted. So if a form came in, we could immediately launch a script and make that pet unavailable for future registrations.
But we pulled it off. We got the thing launched, and it worked great. People picked their animal they wanted to adopt. It went out of the list diminished, and we got all the animals adopted in 2 or 3 days.
I'm very excited about what is happening now. Werner is working together with Thomas, our developer, on integrations. And this is where we can really contribute, because that's specialized knowledge, API integrations that our developer Thomas is actually very good in, and Werner doesn't need to worry about it, and he can move on, he can look at his backlog and think further ahead.
Now that the DIGIPARK platform is getting more and more adopted, people come to me and they say, well, do you think it would be possible to do this in DIGIPARK? And my answer is always, yes, of course. So it's a long list, yeah.